At times it can be helpful to have a written transcript of a video or audio recording, and fortunately YouTube provides an automatic option. In this video we will go over the process of opening a transcript from a YouTube video, copying and pasting the transcript into a Word document, and formatting the text into a written transcript. For this tutorial you will need to have a YouTube link to your video, or you will need to upload your video to a YouTube account. Please note that this is not a flawless process, and that if the need for a written transcript is an accessibility request, we would advise that you proofread the transcript before distributing, or consider filling out the Captions and Transcript Request form at the Instructional Technologies page on creating accessible audio and video. Let's get started. Step 1. Opening your transcript. Open your YouTube link and look for the buttons listed below the player. Beneath the video title, you'll notice Share, Save, and 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots icon and select Open Transcript. The right sidebar panel will change to include a written copy of your transcript. Please note that if you recently uploaded your video, it may take some time for the transcript to generate. Step 2. Copying and pasting into Word. At the top of the transcript panel, you'll be able to click on a new 3-dot button and select Toggle Timestamps to turn off the timecodes listed on your transcript. Next, find the first word of the transcript and click and drag while scrolling to highlight all the text. When you get to the bottom of your text and it is highlighted, you can select Edit and Copy, or you can use Command-C with a Mac or Control-C on a PC to copy the text. From here, you'll want to edit and paste, Command-V on a Mac or Control-V on a PC, to paste your text into a new Word document. Step 3. Formatting the text. Once you've pasted your text into a Word document, you'll notice that the text is cut with hard returns, but you can remove these relatively easily by turning on the Show/Hide Character option with the Paragraph Mark button. From here, you'll go to Edit, Find, and Replace. The left panel will appear and allow you to type in up arrow or up caret using Shift-6 and then the letter P to signify paragraph returns. And then you'll be able to replace with a simple space or spacebar. Then select Replace All and your text should read as a typical script without hard returns. You can then turn off the Show/Hide Character key and your transcript is ready to be proofread and shared. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please contact Instructional Technology or the Help Desk if you have any questions.